To drop a recommendation for this page is very easy. All what you need to do is to go to your search and type Learn with Peter. And this is the page. You click on it. The next step is that you click on, you see that place that they wrote not rated, not yet rated. I click it. So do you recommend? I click yes. And then I type the reason why I recommend this page. Very easy. Like what I typed, I said I highly recommend this page for all creators because we share content creation tips, how to videos. Alright. So guys, this is how to drop a recommendation for a page or profile. Alright, so let me tell you the other side to this whole thing. Dropping a recommendation for a page or profile helps to build trust for that brand. Yes, it helps to build trust for that brand. One thing you need to know is this: a referrer pays a lot. When someone refers or recommends your brand, it speaks volumes of your brand. As you can see, this part is very important for every page and for every profile. Let me tell you some of the numerous advantages of your profile or pages being recommended. One of the very first benefits is that your profile or page builds trust. Yes, when people see that your recommendation on your page or profile is high, see, they will want to interact, want to engage on that page. And then yeah, good things are happening here, and this is a nice place for us to be. So this is just one of the big advantage of a recommendation. It also helps the algorithm push your content the more. If your profile or page has high recommendation for people, like people are saying, I highly recommend this page for this, I recommend this profile for this, the algorithm pushes your content the more to more people. So here's why your page and your profile needs to be recommended, guys. So simply drop a recommendation for this page, to help us build trust and build our brand. You're part of our brand, and you want to see us grow. So please drop a recommendation following the steps I just gave now. And also tell your friends, your family, your associates, your relatives to also drop a recommendation on your page or profile. Drop a recommendation on my page or profile, and I'll also drop one on yours too. So let's help each other grow. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and follow, as well as subscribe to this channel.